So hello guys, welcome to our playlist of Android app development. So in this video, we are going to create application in which we can play our any music or any audio we want. So name for the application is MP3 player, in which we can play MP3 files. So from starting this, first of all, we have to create one raw named folder in which we have to put our all .mp3 or mp4 files. MP4 file is for the video. So the audio or video file we have to play. First of all, we have to put that files in the raw folder. So we will create a new directory here, Android resource directory, and we will give that name for this file name as raw. So it is created, and now we have to paste any audio file that we want to play. Just now I have one Android player here, Android 11 named file. So I will copy this file and paste in this raw folder, as we can see. Now we can rename it, or yeah, we can give any name to that mp3 file. So we can see here, now we have this Android 11.mp3 file here. Now starting with our app application, first of all we have, for audio player, we have to include one media player library. So we will include that media player. Yeah. So now we have included this, and we have to give any name mp just like, yeah. Now we have included it. Now that we have to set some audio stream type for this audio stream type, that will be integer for this file. So now we are going to set one audio stream type, that is mostly we are having the mp3 type. So we will include our audio manager, and dot stream we will type that, and we will put a stream as music, as we are playing a music. So it has value 3 for integer. Now after that, we have to create one string to give our path for that, uh, to give a link for our path, and we will give that raw folder path, that is android dot resource, and in that we will take get package name. Again we will give the raw folder path, raw, that we have created. And now as we know, here we have android 11 dot that file. So we will give that path, android underscore 11, and we will close this. Now I will check that if we have given the correct path or not. We have to check that android underscore 11. So here A is capital. So we will give that path. Now as we have given this path, we have to include that string. So we have to set that data path with source, and here we have to pass our string name, as we will pass as a path. So after that, we have set our, yeah, path for the media player. It is showing some error. I will check that. So yeah, we have to surround it with try and catch block, so that it won't give us the error. Or otherwise, we will pass one URL. That URL will be as for the online. That we will give that URL as name audio URL. So that we have to parse one URL. So we will write that parse, and we will part the string in that URL. We have converted this as the that string as the URL, and now we will pass this. Now we will pass this as audio URL in this audio URL. Again, we have to catch it with try and catch block if some error is occurred. That's why we have to catch it with some try and block error. Now as we have completed all the try and block error, now we have to write here mp.prepare so that music player is prepared. Yeah. Now our music player is prepared, but we have to also include this in our try and catch block. That's why it is giving the error. Now we have included. Now we will do work with the front end part. We will create the three buttons: play, pause, play, and that will give three buttons. The first name we will give as the pause, and here we will give as the play, and again we will create one button as the stop. We will give it as stop. Yeah. We'll give name for this button as the stop. Now we have created the three buttons here. As we know, now we will constrain it with all the sides, as we have seen in the previous video how to constrain it from the four sides. Now we will link this one to this. Again constrain this. We have to constrain all the three buttons to all four sides of the. Again we will constrain this. As we have constrained this all, now I will try to run this app so that we can see our layout is correct or not. Gradle build is running here, so we will wait until it has completely run successfully. Okay, so we have to rename this as in the file name in the resource file, no capital letters should involved. That's why it is showing error. Now the error is gone. Yeah. Now again we will compile it and we will see it is completely run. We will wait until Gradle build it is running here. Once the Gradle build is completely run, so we have to change the, yeah, compiled SDK path as 33 in the build Gradle. So it is a, yeah, it will take some time, mostly 10 seconds. Yeah. Now the Gradle build is run. Now again we will try to run the app. So the Gradle build is running. We have to wait until it is completely run. We don't have any other choice to do it. Now it is compiling. Now the app is installing here, as we can see. Yeah, the app is run completely. It is loading. Yeah, as we can see, all three buttons are here on the screen. So we will see our next part for this app in the next video. Add the video length is increased. So stay tuned, guys. And in this video, we have seen how to create a MP3 player. Yeah, and path for the media player to access the audio files, and we have created one string for the path of this Android 11, and we will rename here also small a1. Yeah. So in the next video we are going to see how to play music and how to give access to a button stop, play and pause. So thank you guys, stay tuned.